Welcome back to QandA. Don't forget to like this video, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all new updates. Let us begin our video. Our today's video is origami first. So first we will take a square shaped sheet. So I had an A4 sheet, so I will cut that. So my brother did this origami first, so the credit goes to him. So now he is cutting with the scissors. So we are using a simple page. You can use any colorful page also. So don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. And also share my videos. If you have any challenges, you can just comment below so that I can make it. And if you have any suggestions or questions, you can ask me those queries below. So now I have created some playlists. So if you haven't seen them, you can check them out after this video. And after 1000 subscribers, I will be doing my festival video. And after 1 lakh subscribers, I will be doing Q&A part 2 with festival. So if you haven't seen my Q&A part 1, no problem. You can check it out. The link is in the description box. And after 1 million subscribers, I will be doing my video on the topic how I did my videos. So guys, now just continue. So now we'll draw one eye in one side. If you want to draw two eyes, then you can draw one in this side and another on that side. And we'll draw the mouth also. So you can see we made the eyes, not eyes, only one eye we made. And this mouth we have did only one eye, not two. So now it's ready. You could see the picture over here, but it's looking nice. But if you do it on a plain colorful, it will look more good. It's like pink, white, like this. Okay. So thanks for watching. Thanks for help and support. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Have you seen these videos? No? Then go and check them now. Bye.